Here are 3 news stories about Bitcoin from the crypto industry. First news. What to expect from BTC this week. Bitcoin started the new work week trading 10% below its all-time high recorded on March 14, 2024, at $73,750. BTC reacted negatively to the news that the U.S. Federal Reserve is not ready to lower the key interest rate. Such changes could have supported investor demand for high-risk assets like cryptocurrency. In response to Bitcoin's negative reaction to the Fed's decision, crypto community members shared their forecasts. Trader Dr. Profit believes that Bitcoin is in a long-term buying zone. He reminded his followers that BTC often moved sideways and went into corrections on its way to $70,000. The trader considers such behavior normal for the asset. When analyzing BTC's prospects, he noted the importance of the EMA 50-day exponential moving average. According to Dr. Profit, this indicator plays a crucial role in shaping the cryptocurrency's movement trajectory. Earlier this year, he outlined a range where he believes Bitcoin will move sideways before continuing its growth. The upper boundary of this range is between $72,000 to $73,000, and the lower boundary is between $56,000 to $57,000. Dr. Profit also points out the forming liquidity pool around $64,400. He urges not to panic if the price reaches this level, as such movements are planned by market participants. The trader is confident that market makers aim to wear out traders. Therefore, he expects sideways movement to continue this week, similar to recent months. Dr. Profit advises patience and readiness for the moment when Bitcoin breaks out of the range and starts a new bull cycle. There are many optimists in the market. For example, trader Crypto sees a cup and handle pattern forming on the Bitcoin chart. He believes its completion could lead BTC to new highs, with a target of $120,000. Trader Kevin Svensson supports the positive Bitcoin outlook. According to him, technical analysis of the BTC chart indicates the potential for imminent growth. Trader Gel has joined the optimists. He believes that a pattern is forming on the BTC chart, indicating the cryptocurrency is preparing for growth. His Bitcoin price forecast suggests a movement toward $100,000. Trader Easy Bitcoin also signaled a BTC buy amid the cryptocurrency's decline. Crypto trader Income Sharks, in turn, sees potential for BTC to rise only by early autumn. Analyst Dave the Wave supported the positive sentiment in the crypto community. He noted that despite the recent decline, BTC still holds important levels, rebounds from which help the cryptocurrency maintain positive momentum. However, there are also pessimistic market participants. For instance, trader Zoran Cole sees the potential for further BTC decline. His Bitcoin forecast suggests the cryptocurrency could drop to $40,000 by the end of the summer. Second news. Deutsche Telekom plans to mine Bitcoins. In addition to managing nodes for the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Lightning networks, Europe's largest telecommunications provider, Deutsche Telekom, will start mining BTC. The subsidiary company, Deutsche Telekom, T-Systems MMS, plans to mine the oldest cryptocurrency. This was announced by the head of the firm's Web3 infrastructure and solutions, Dirk Redder, at the BTC Prague conference. Deutsche Telekom has been managing Bitcoin and Bitcoin Lightning nodes since 2023. Now the company wants to engage in digital photosynthesis, as Redder called it. Since 2023, we have been supporting Bitcoin and Bitcoin Lightning nodes. And with great pride, I want to share a little secret with you. Soon we will engage in digital monetary photosynthesis, said the company representative, dressed in a t-shirt with a pink Bitcoin logo styled like the Deutsche Telekom logo. Crypto influencer Joe Nakamoto and the host of BTC Prague asked Redder to clarify if T-Mobile would really be mining Bitcoin. To this, he replied affirmatively. Redder shared how Deutsche Telekom's position on Web3 and cryptocurrencies has changed. When he joined the firm in 2022, he was not allowed to mention the word Bitcoin during the interview, he noted. However, since then, Deutsche Telekom's course has changed significantly. Moreover, the company's interest is not limited to BTC. The German telecommunications giant actively participates in other networks. Since 2022, Deutsche Telekom has supported Ethereum by managing nodes and collaborating with the liquid staking protocol Stakewise. Additionally, the company invests in tokens from the Polkadot and Celo networks, operates a validation node for Polygon, and supports the Q protocol and the Chainlink blockchain. Deutsche Telekom's latest step underscores the growing interest and trust in cryptocurrencies from major global corporations. Among the most notable examples are MicroStrategy and Tesla, which have been actively investing in Bitcoin for many years. Third news. President of El Salvador proposes opening a Bitcoin bank. President of El Salvador Nayib Bukele proposes creating a private investment bank in the country that will work with Bitcoin and dollars. In February this year, Nayib Bukele won the presidential elections in El Salvador. One of the first initiatives of the newly re-elected head of state was the creation of a Bitcoin bank. According to the plan, private investment banks, BPI, will offer investors more financial services than traditional banks. Additionally, they will allow transactions not only with fiat currencies, specifically the dollar, but also with the first cryptocurrency by market capitalization. As part of our economic plan for El Salvador, we propose creating BPI, a bank of private investments, where we can diversify the financing options offered to potential investors in dollars and Bitcoin, wrote El Salvador's ambassador to the U.S., Milena Mayorga, on X. Bukele's senior BTC advisor Max Kaiser believes this step could significantly accelerate El Salvador's economic growth. According to him, Cathie Wood's forecast about the country's net GDP growth may become even more likely. Earlier, the CEO of ARK Invest noted that thanks to Bitcoin policies, El Salvador's GDP could increase tenfold over the next 5 years. The main advantage of private investment banks is the lack of many restrictions that apply to regular financial institutions. For example, they will be allowed to work with foreign banks and fintech companies and issue loans exceeding 25% of their own assets. The minimum authorized capital to open a BPI will be $50 million. The founders can be at least 2 shareholders, including foreigners. BPIs will be able to work with any legal tender, including the US dollar and Bitcoin. However, Bukele's proposal has not yet received approval from legislators. Consultations and voting are necessary in the Technology, Tourism, and Investment Commission. A final decision on the creation of Bitcoin banks in El Salvador has not yet been made, but the proposal itself demonstrates the country's serious commitment to integrating Bitcoin. In May, El Salvador's authorities launched a mempool to track investments in the oldest cryptocurrency. According to the latest data, the country manages 5783 BTC worth $382 million. El Salvador not only buys Bitcoins but also mines tokens independently. Moreover, using innovative technology, at a geothermal power plant located near the Tecapa volcano, where 300 processors are stationed. Recently, it was revealed that the Latin American country has mined 474 BTC at the volcano, valued at $31 million at the current rate.